can you enable playback notifications on your Audiomack app? We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on permissions here, just click on it. So then you come to next here, just click here on notifications. You come to next here, click on notification categories. Then you come to this list, you come here to playback. Just clicking this sign, then like you say, this color show for us as may playback notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you. I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.